Here's the episode. Oh, Brasil, minha saudade para você não tem limites. Eu sou tão cansado de todo mundo não me entender do que eu falo. Eu acho que eu tenho que começar a falar inglês se eu quero fazer amigos nesse inferno. Ei, bandeira de Brasil, tá tudo bom? Espera, quanto que você sabe falar português? Oh, eu nunca te disse. Eu fui para o Brasil 4 anos atrás e eu aprendi um pouco de português. Ah, finalmente! Alguém que eu possa conversar em minha linguagem! I miss Treasure Tree.
Hey, buddy. You know, nobody cares about friendships anymore, boy.
Dare I ask, where were you and why are you drunk?
Oh, me and my best friend went to the bar and I got wasted, but I am because he's just a square and he got no mouth hole, so more for me, I suppose.
Can you, get out of my face? Your breath reeks.
Hey, you want to fight? You want to go? I'll punch you and you'll fall over and you won't get back up.
Pi, can you please start the elimination so I can get away from... Well, we've got an interesting lineup for us tonight, don't we, fellas? This time we got 12,188 votes. Yay, it's more than last time. If you're safe, you'll receive an uncooked spaghetti noodle. How generous. Quiet you. The first two people safe are Cavity and Cavity's girlfriend with 490 and 580 votes respectively.
What? No, we're not. Who told you? We're not.
Yeah, the internet begs to differ. Hey, FNF Arrow, who's the next one safe? That's right! It's you with 1,094 votes, and so are Name Tag and Pixel with 1,827 and 2,396 votes respectively. So, which loudmouth will be leaving the show today? Whoa, hold the phone! Did you just say I'm in the bottom 2 with Explosive over here? I'm the reason this entire area is completely destroyed right now, and the viewers chose me to go? Oh no, absolutely not! I will not stand for this complete crap hole of a voting system! And if you really think you're about to kill a veteran officer like me, you've got another thing coming! Alright, Detonator, your turn to blow stuff up. Wait, who? I'm confused. Detonator is eliminated with 3,089 votes. Copper is safe with 2,712. Then why did you kill Copper too? Oh, I'm sorry, did you want to keep listening to and go, ooh, look at me, I'm the popo, and I'm angry that I got votes, so boo-hoo. Okay, so that's a murder charge and a charge for impersonating an officer. And is that my hat? Better add theft to the list of charges. I tell you, you're going to the slammer for a long time.
Shut
you
your
know that. Symbol? Hey, Symbol, can you hear me? Symbol, what's the challenge? Why are you calling him Symbol? Because if he's gonna keep saying my name wrong on purpose, then I'm gonna do the same thing. Hey, I got a large pizza for Mr. P.I. Not sure if that's your initials or if that's actually how you spell your name, so I just... Oh boy, pizza challenge time! Oh my god, dude, is that the legendary purple penta pizza? The one pizza that's only available once every 200 years? I've been waiting to get that pizza ever since I joined the force! Nah, I've seen better. Just for that, you're up for elimination. Anyways, your next challenge is to obtain a slice of this delicious pizza, but... It's on top of this giant pillar, so you guys gotta find a way to get up there and receive a slice of that cheesy lavender goodness. And whoever doesn't get a slice will join Paint Bucket in the elimination zone. But that's kind of unfair to just put her up for elimination before the challenge starts now! Yeah, that'll be $28 and half a cent. Oh, yeah, right. Okay, yeah, that was about a tip, eh? Ow! Hey, who turned out the lights, dude? Consider this my well-earned revenge. Hey, now you... Actually, yeah, I kinda deserve that. Ow! Okay, now that was just uncalled for. I don't care. I'm tired of being knocked around. This game will be mine.
Boy, is it pizza time? I love pizza time. Hey, Pixel, can you get a pizza? You can get the pizza. You can fly. I wish I could fly. You see, look at me, I'm flying. That's Superhero Man. Better watch out, cause I'm coming.
And Pixel has snagged himself a safety slice.
Oh, well, you got pizza? I want pizza. Come on, give me pizza.
You want a slice? You gotta come get it yourself.
Hey, look at me, I can fly.
Well, not my problem. Well, what are you waiting for? You got a challenge to do. I'm worried about you. Don't be. Quite frankly, I could care less about being on the chopping block. But you've already been up for elimination 3 times in a row. Nobody should have to go through the stress of literal elimination that frequently. And to be honest, I kinda want you to stay in the game. I want to get to know you better. Okay, I will. Oh no, not this time! Sorry, pal, but we ain't letting you win this time. Certo, Badege Brasil? Que? Oh, alright. I'm not usually a fighter, but if you insist. O que é esse? Meu Deus, você acredita? Oh god, it tastes like sewage. That's for calling me Symbol. Oh, I'll see it's safe or whatever. And so is SpongeBob. Well, ain't this a case of deja vu? Get your butt up and climb, will ya? Okay, why should you care about me being safe? Or anybody else for that matter? What, do you not see this? I'm a cop for coffee's sake. It's my job to care about the safety of others. Oh, I get that, but do you not realize what's going on right now? We're on a competition show. I'm pretty sure some of us are only here against our wills. And the longer we stay on this show, the more people we have to watch being murdered in front of our eyes. And there's no escape from it either, so there's no point for you to be worried about me or anybody. The only person you could be concerned about is yourself. Whoa, I guess I never thought about that before. Is that the purple penta pizza I smell? Get moving, Arrow Man! You gotta get a taste of that! Oh, thank goodness I'm not too late. Okay, then I guess I'll just... Hold it right there, Missy! That pizza is mine! Oh, but there's still 2 slices left. I don't want to hit... Oh, wait, you're right. Sorry about that. It's a reflex. Hold it, don't you take another step. Oh, it's that kind of game you want to play. Come here! Pie, come here, we got a slice! And Cavity is safe. Yeah, and Paint Bucket's safe too, right? No, she's already up for elimination. She can't be safe now. What else is new? So the final slice is still up for grabs. But that's not fair. You can't just put her up for voting before the challenge starts. That doesn't make any sense. Yeah, that's a good pizza right there. Can you stop snatching food out of my hands, please? How about you stop being such a... Well, Polygon has snagged the last slice, leaving Paint Bucket, Brazil Flag, Copa, Sticko, FNF Arrow, and Lego Flame up for elimination. Welp, I'm done for. Hey, are these yours? Or what, mine? Oh, thanks. At least now I'll be able to watch myself dig my own grave. What? Oh, great, it's the cheater. Relax, Lego Flame, I don't have any beef with you. Well, I got a major beef with you! Oh, man, calm down. I didn't trip you on purpose. Are you serious? Do you really not remember what you did to me? What are you talking about? I didn't do anything. Oh, I forgot about that. Well, I'm very sorry for that whole mishap. I just didn't want to see my friend lose, and I promise not to repeat those actions. Apology unaccepted, douchebag. Okay, fair enough. You know, I was really hoping I'd get further than you, and specifically you this season. But even after everything I've done, it's all over for me. All because I'm different. I think I should go talk to him. Sorry, Cavity, but this episode has gone on long enough. We gotta wrap this up. Okay, so then just don't show me talking to him. Did she just talk back to me? I can't be bothered enough to care. So viewers, vote using the poll in the description on which contestant you think should be eliminated from ASTOSIMBIB. Voting ends in 48 hours, and see you in episode 6.